The government is considering strengthening workers' rights to request a 4-day work week from their employers, allowing them to compress their full-time hours into fewer days. My name is Jack Revis and welcome to this week's episode of Tax Tidbits, where the 4-day workweek has been a controversial topic this week. The idea of the 4-day working week is to improve the work-life balance for employees, allowing them to be paid the same amount and work the same number of hours just over less days in the week. For example, someone working 8 hours a day over 5 days could instead work 10 hours a day over 4 days. Currently, employees can ask for flexible working arrangements from day one of employment, but companies do not have to agree. The changes to this legislation may make it harder for employers to refuse flexible working requests, but nothing has been confirmed yet. This has caused quite a stir among businesses, as many are worried about productivity and how this change may financially impact their company. The RAC has suggested that the 5p fuel duty cut, initially introduced in March 2022 to combat rising fuel costs and the cost of living crisis, may be scrapped in the next budget. This is reportedly because drivers aren't seeing the benefits, as retailers are pocketing the savings instead. This is happening because it was not mandatory for suppliers to pass on the savings at the pump, although it was encouraged. Fuel duty is one of the taxes that the PM has not ruled out increasing in the October budget. Toys R Us is planning a return to the UK 6 years after closing 100 of its stores by opening mini stores inside selected WH Smith shops. Some of these concession stores are already open, with 17 planned to open before the end of the summer. The latest city to be added to this comeback is Norwich, though there is no confirmed opening date as yet. In July, the Post Office handled a record of £3.7 billion in cash transactions. This coincides with many bank branches closing, an average of 50 per month since 2015, causing people to instead use the post office for their day-to-day banking. Many people still prefer to use cash to manage their daily budgets and spending, as it allows them to keep better track of their money. While some new banking hubs are popping up across the country to help with the loss of banks, we could see the post office become increasingly crucial for banking. The former CEO of Volkswagen has appeared in court on charges of fraud, market manipulation and perjury related to the Dieselgate scandal. The scandal broke in 2015 when it was found that VW had rigged emissions tests to meet regulatory standards, but actually produced illegal levels of pollution in daily use. The cars were fitted with defeat devices which recognised that when they were being tested in a lab and turned on emissions controls in order to pass. These were then turned off for everyday use to improve performance. This scandal sparked a drive towards electric vehicles, which has had a profound effect on the industry and on consumers all over the world. And that brings us to the end of another episode of Tax Tidbits. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you back here next Thursday.